So how it would be when you can control the mind of your audience by few words? How it would be? It is a superpower which I believe, because when you are writing copy, it should be persuasive and it should actually have a call to action so that people can take action now. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about 5 words which are going to multiply the copy. I can say आपकी जो copy होगी वो और ज़्यादा अगर आप इन वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं या अब से करने लगेंगे, then you can actually get much more results in comparison to the old copy. So these are the 5 words you can use in your copy every time whenever you write to actually persuade your audiences. The first word is you. It is important word of your copy, because when you are writing your copy, it should be mostly talking about your customer, your audience, so that they can actually resonate with them. Why? Because the human mind actually works on a principle called WIIFM. What's in it for me? Everybody looks like what's in it for me. If you are watching this particular video, you need something from this particular video. That's why you are watching it. So, and it's a basic human nature. There is nothing to offense. So every time you are writing your copy, every time in your marketing statement, talk more about your customer needs, their desires, and what the results they are going to get from your product and services. It's not much about your product, your services, about your story. It doesn't matter at all. But when you actually tie up all these things with the story of your customer, with the problems of your customer, then actually find a good value in your copy and they actually get persuaded. So the number one word is you. Second word is new. Wow, man, tell me something new happening in your family. So everybody wants to listen something new, everybody wants to know something new. Why? Because it directly depend on the status. Why? Because when you know something new which other people are not knowing, you get an extra edge. And when you actually learn something new, get some new knowledges in your life, you actually feel good about yourself. And that is why new word is the main source of your copy, which can actually enhance your marketing statement. So the third word, which is also most important, it is called secret. Come here, I'm gonna tell you a secret. So this particular word has more power. Why? Because everybody wants to know someone's secret. Everybody wants to know कि यार उसकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, मुझे ये जानना है. So that is called secret. This secret, like 5 secrets you can change your life. 5 secrets to make your copy better. 5 secrets you will never heard from anyone to make a better copy for your clients. So these are the word. The secret word is also important for making a persuasive copy for your audience. Coming to the fourth word is now. When you want from your copy to take your customer some kind of action, the number one principle of sales is now. If you leave somebody through anything like man, come tomorrow and you can pay me or you can take action tomorrow, but it's not about that. Copywriting is more about taking a call to action right now. So when you use that word, that take action now, grab this offer now. So now is that hook which actually gives the command to your audience's brain to actually take the action now. So if you're watching this particular video till here and you are getting some value, then subscribe this channel now. So now has more power to act for getting the call to action from your audiences right now. The fifth word, free. The most people doesn't know how to use this word, because sometimes people use it too much, and sometimes people actually doesn't use this word because they don't want to give something for free. Why? Now, how you can use this word in your marketing statement? By actually strategizing the things. Now coming to the most important point, how you can use it particular word in your marketing, in your business, by giving something for free. Because when you are giving something for free in your to your audience, you are taking some amount of the pressure, some amount of the risk from their shoulders on your shoulder. Because as a human being, nobody wants to take any risk. Nobody wants to take the complete risk of something. And when you give something for free, hey man, just take it and try this out, this is for free. So it creates a confidence inside them that man, this is needed, this particular thing I have tried and this is very much like this particular thing can change my life. So in this way you can actually use the free, don't use it as like more, because it will hamper your just in the market, like if you give everything for free. Now, so what you can do, you can give something for free just for testing purpose. You can you be having you must have seen the trial offers, 14 days trial, 30 days trial. So these are what, these are the free services which companies are giving you to actually test their product. Because if I will tell you that man, buy the product from me directly today, you are not gonna buy. Why? Because you don't want to take risk. You like, not just you, as a human being we all hate taking risk. So this is the thing you have to always keep in mind, and these are the 5 words which actually can transform whole your copy and actually persuade people, persuade your customers to take that action and grab their attention. So whatever you want to have, whatever you want to do, and whatever you want to have a kind of action from your copy, these are the 5 words you can use in your copy to do that. So 5 words which you can use in your copy, again I am repeating, is you, new, now, free, secret. You, new, now, free, secret. This thing, by this way you can actually remind this every single time, and whenever you write your copy, whenever you write your marketing statement, you can use this word to leverage it in a better way. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. Meet you in the next video. Till the time, you can actually subscribe my channel, you can actually like this particular video, so that I like my confidence should be boosted up to make more and more videos, more and more this kind of videos for you. Thank you so much.